Okay, folks, we're back yet again to do another unboxing of comics for the shop this week. And I'm going to start with Lunar. So, got an invoice. Something is highlighted. Spawn number 347. Cover B is highlighted. We'll see what's going on there. Oh, we got box inside a box. Surrounded by bubble wrap, but no tape on the inside box. I think that's okay, though. Different, but okay. Lots of bubble wrap. And here we go. Is this the one in question? Is this cover A or B? Let's look. It probably says somewhere. Okay. I see no reason why this would have been highlighted, so we'll move on to the next thing. Spawn number 347. Cover B. It is cardstock. Tappy tappy. And only $2.99 cover price. If only all comics were that nice. Here we've got another promotional postcard from the Silver Sprocket. And we have this hardcover Miles Davis in the Search for Sound. Let's take a look inside this sucker because I got pretty high expectations for this. I don't want to open it too far because it's really tight. But there's the art inside of Miles Davis and the Search for Sound. Let's see. $39.99 cover price. Published by Z2 Comics. Oh. All right. Here we go. Box looks pretty full. Get the comics out. All right. The Deviant. A Christmas Story. Number 1, cover A. The Deviant, A Christmas Story. Not 100% sure I ordered this. Maybe I did. Maybe it's free. Let's look at the invoice. We'll figure that out. Okay, it doesn't say, so whatever. Moving on. Detective Comics, issue 1077, regular cover. Danger Street, number 11 of 12. Oh, look, the creeper's on the back. Nice, I like the creeper. Geiger Ground Zero, number 1. It's a number 1. Let's take a look inside. And it is cardstock cover, so we'll give it a tappy tappy. And it's only a $3.99 cover price. How is Image able to give us these unbelievable deals when Marvel and DC can't do it? World's Finest Teen Titans number 5. Batman is telling Robin he's grounded. Wesley Dodds, The Sandman number 2. Of course, the Golden Age Sandman. The Vigil, number 6. Superman Lost, number 8 of 10. Speed Force, number 1. Did I only get one of these? Yes, probably did. Speed Force, number 1. Let's take a look inside. This is your art for Speed Force, number 1. And we have The Outsiders, number 1. Here's the problem I'm going to have this week is I only have limited space on my comic rack. Too many number 1s is a problem. Green Lantern number 5. And here's the last stack from the Lunar shipment. G.I. Joe. It says first issue. It also says number 301. But this is published by Image now. Since it says first issue, then we'll take them at their word and we'll show you the interior art. And this is cover. This is a variant cover. I guess the black and white variant, right? This is the same color, cover, in color. G.I. Joe, first issue, number 301. Look at the same art again, because we're thorough here at Arch Villain Comics. And here we have a reprint of G.I. Joe Real American Hero number 1. I guess we'll call this a facsimile edition. This is Image Comics. But I would like to point out, I believe G.I. Joe number 1 was on the Baxter paper. This is like newsprint. So they're almost there, but not quite. It's like they tried to make it authentic with the newsprint paper, but somehow still didn't get it right. I could be wrong about the Baxter paper, but I'm pretty sure that was a fancy G.I. Joe number 1 when it came out. Spawn, number 347. Got 3 of those. That's probably too many. You know, monkey face on the cover. And the regular cover, also cardstock. Tappy Tappy. And $2.99. How do they do it? Batman and Robin, number 3. So wait, didn't we just see a Batman and Robin number 3? Was that a variant? We'll go back and look. Remember the one where he said he was grounded? Looking. Oh, no, that was World Finest Teen Titans. Never mind. Okay, moving on to the shipment from Penguin Random House, which is oh well. This is mostly Marvel and IDW. Your invoice, packing slip, whatever. Here we have daintily packaged copies of The Last Ronin number 2. I guess these are, I don't know if they're facsimiles or what their deal is. They're just reprinting Last Ronin in a more floppy foil, floppy format. The other ones were square bound cardstock. This is a good heavy cover stock, but not cardstock, evidenced by our Tappy Tappy and next mailer. Well, also daintily packaged by Allison G. These look to be Marvel books. Oh, it is Deadpool. Deadpool 7 Slaughters number 1. That is a big, thick comic. Big honking $9.99 cover price. Notice they're writing the cover price really small now, so you can't see it till it's too late. And that looks like it was drawn by Rob Liefeld. This is your art for Deadpool 7 Slaughters number 1. And then we go to the box, which will have the rest of our Penguin Random House shipment in it. Oh, look. Oh, they've done it. This box has paper all the way around the outside. Maybe they figured out they were doing it wrong and fixed it. Thank you, Penguin Random House. It is much more protected to do it that way. and costs you absolutely nothing extra. Lots of packing material. We got some revolutionary technology. Invoice packing slip. And here we go. Off we go. Trying to get the comics out of the box. Bear with me. Okay, let me fix my camera stand here. It is very floppy. Could fall down. Oh, it's extra floppy. All right. Silver Surfer Rebirth Legacy number 3 variant cover. Gosh. Let's take a second look at that. Okay, moving on. Invincible Iron Man second printing number 10. And here is Silver Surfer Rebirth Legacy number 3 regular cover. Here's Alpha Flight number 4. Capwolf and the Howling Commandos number 2. Red Goblin number 10. Blade number 5. Seems like I'm going pretty quick with this, but that's okay. Star Wars Dark Droids number 4 regular cover. And back into the box we go. Fantastic Four number 13 Stormbreaker variant, which is the I thought usually it said who it was. Oh yeah, this person. Breaking the Storm. Fantastic Four number 13 Knight's End variant. Spine-tingling Spider-Man number 2. Let's spot check this. It looks overly floppy. Yep. Paper stock cover. Tappy tappy. Floppy floppy. But still has the regular $3.99 or $3.99 cover price. Dark X-Men number 4. Also looks to be coverless. We'll just call them what they are. They're coverless. Uncanny X-Men number 4. Did I only get 3 copies? That is nowhere near enough. I'm sorry. Uncanny Avengers number 4. And 3 copies is aplenty. Fantastic Four number 13. An awesome Alex Ross cover. That one's a little bit confusing. With the Doctor Doom masked dinosaur, armored dinosaur. But, I don't know. Ghost Rider. Let's see. Ghost Rider number 20. Plus a story starring the Spirit Rider. Ghost Rider number 20. Floppy floppy. The Mandalorian number 6. That's, of course, Mandalorian Season 2 number 6. This is the, well, I don't know what you call that. The movie variant or whatever. Shadowbox variant. Mandalorian number 6 variant. I like that cover. Not sure what I like about it, but I like it. Star Wars Droids. Is this Dark Droids? What comic even is this? Come on, people. Yeah, Dark Droids number 4. This is the action figure variant. Here we have Immortal Thor number 4. This is a variant. And a darn good one. Gosh, look at that art. That's a serious cover. By serious, I mean they ain't messing around. Okay, let's get these comics out of the box as best I can without destroying them. Give me a second. Okay, that will have to do. Yeah, Timeless, #1. No, never mind, sorry. That's an ad. It's not, if this were manga, it would be. Okay, Superior Spider-Man #1. Scotty Young, baby variant. Astonishing Iceman #4. It is one of Spider-Man's amazing friends. Dr. Aphra #38. Again, part of the Dark Droids story arc. Children of the Vault #4. Alien #1. Didn't this just happen? How many Alien #1s are we going to have? Let's take a look inside. Look at the cover. It's got an actual cover on it. Tappy tappy. A little bit more substantial than the inside paper. Jean Grey #4. And back into the box we go. Getting there. Getting near the bottom. We're going to get to the bottom of it. Superior Spider-Man #1. Let's take a look inside. Let's give it a cover tappy. It has a cover. That's a plus. Guest starring Spider-Boy. Looks like a lot of action going on there in the Superior Spider-Man #1. Action-packed even, perhaps. Okay, this is the last stack. They're not going to confuse me by putting the comics upside down this time. I'm going to flip it over. And we have the regular cover for Mandalorian #6. Got several of those. This comic's still selling. Not as much as it was, but when do they ever? Star Wars Visions, Peach Momoko #1. Is this the regular cover? Yes. $5.99 cover price. A tappy will reveal that it does have a cover. Not cardstock, but not paper stock. And here's your interior art. Pretty much what you would expect from Peach Momoko. Looks great. And Immortal Thor #4 regular cover. Nice cover. And last, Daredevil #3. So there we go. That's our show for the week. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.